Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. And of course guys, I have a MacBook here, and of course if you have the MacBook Air, MacBook Pro, Neo, it doesn't really matter which one. If you're having the issue where your drag and drop is not working, try the following that may help in these situations. All right, so if drag and drop, so if you try drag and drop suddenly stops working for whatever reason, try the following. All right, so the first thing you want to do when drag and drop stops, it might sound simple, but the first and easiest thing to do is to click on the Apple logo and shut down your device completely. Once it's shut down, go ahead and start it back up and allow the system to refresh. All right, so doing that, refreshing the system and reloading everything sometimes helps. If that doesn't help, you're gonna go to your settings. So go ahead and click the Apple logo, go to System Settings. It's gonna load. And of course, you can go to trackpad. And once you're in trackpad, you're gonna go ahead and where it says force click and haptic feedback, go ahead and turn this off, right? And that's on the trackpad. Then turn it back on. And of course, go ahead and try to drag and drop again and see if that works. All right, so if that doesn't work, you're gonna go to settings again. You're gonna go to system settings and you're gonna look for spring and select spring loading. All right, so you're gonna see the spring loading option. You're gonna see the speed right here that it says spring loading. Turn spring loading off and then turn spring loading back on. Go ahead again and try to see if that has fixed the issue. In some cases, it will help. In some, it might not help. The next thing to try, guys, is you're gonna go to apps. You're gonna see here a bunch of stuff. You're gonna scroll down. You're gonna search for this app here that says Activity Monitor. Right, so right where it says Activity Monitor, go ahead and launch Activity Monitor. You can also use the search and type Activity Monitor. Go ahead and click. Now, once it clicks or selected, it will load. Once you're on this tab here that shows all your activities, go ahead and find Finder. And once you select Finder, go ahead and hit the option here. And then you're gonna hit force quit. So once you force quit Finder, it's gonna close, but don't worry. It tends to restart by itself. Notice again, it restarted it. All right, so it tends to refresh itself or restart. All right, so once you do that, guys, go ahead again and you're gonna try to drag and drop once more. All right, so that's usually a bug that's causing the drag and drop feature to fail. But usually doing one of those things in some cases will help you to restore your device, and drag and drop might start. Drag and drop in most cases should start working again. All right, so whatever was causing the bug, that should fix it. All right, so only probably in extreme cases would you need to probably restore your device or reset your device. All right, so that's usually it. So see you in the next one, guys, and let me know if this works for you. Bye.